Hi everybody, Malik the Magic Guy with ExpertVillage.com. More on balloons. Now we're going to get into some more intermediate type stuff, combining different balloons. I'm going to show you some of the different kinds. By now you should have watched all the basic stuff and you should have a mountain of balloon animals in your house, just like we do here on the set. It's going to be great. So there's a few different kinds of balloons that you can use that they make that are different shapes. This is one called a Geo. This is what it looks like without any air in it. You can use these mostly for flowers. I actually don't use a lot of these, but you should definitely try them out. I'll show you how to make a flower with this later on, and you can certainly decide what the best choice is for you. A 6-inch round or a 5-inch round is just a basic round balloon like what you may have seen as a kid, only smaller. And these are good for hats. Sometimes you can draw things on these and make faces, but these are nice for just adding on. They also make 5-inch rounds with imprints, so you can get alien faces, you can get smiley faces. They have some with eyeballs on them. You can get them with all kinds of different prints on them from a balloon supplier. They make probably 30 or 40 different ones. This is a 6-inch heart balloon. This is a heart shape. They make these in a 12-inch as well. The 6-inch hearts are nice for hats. You can put this on like a wand with a couple of loop twists and give it to a kid to wave around. This is the heart uninflated. Later on, when you get into some more advanced twisting, there's other things to do with these, like making eyes for characters out of them and that kind of thing. And one that we're going to use a lot, this is a 321 balloon because it's 3 inches wide and 20 inches long. It's got a black tip on it. This is what it looks like uninflated. These come in 5 different colors. Yellow, orange, there's a pink, a red, a white. The white ones sometimes have red tips on them. I think it's just a question of what you get. There's another really skinny balloon called a 160 that's 1 inch wide and 60 inches long. Those are good for dog leashes, stuff like that. And then there's a 350, which is this width and 50 inches long, and that's good for making some of the larger multi-balloon characters that we probably won't be getting into, but later on you'll come across stuff with 350s. So that's a few different kinds of balloons, and we'll get more into how to use them.